lips, they tasted like those.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay today. Today is going to be a tutorial, obviously, that's why there's no makeup. And it's going to be a drugstore look. I haven't done a drugstore look like focused for such a long time, so I thought I would do one today. I did put on my Instagram, do you want it to be more colourful and more neutral? Neutral did win, ever so slightly, just won. While I put that up, I was actually looking through my collection and I found this. This is the Morphe 3502 palette. Looks like this. I've never used this. I got this when it first launched and first came out, and I have never used it since. So I thought that that would be my palette of choice today, because it's quite neutral anyway. It's very warm, like browns, oranges, reds. So that's going to be kind of like the look I'm going to go for today. I think that's a very popular look anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. I will be doing a colourful look for the drugstore when I get back off my holiday as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested in getting the look from the thumbnail and getting ready with me, then just keep watching. I'm first going to go in. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I'm going to use it to prime my face as well. Just because you guys know I use that Urban Decay B61 every day, like to start my makeup. I always feel like now, ever since then, I have to start my makeup with a spray, regardless if it's a priming spray or not. I need some form of spray on my face. Then I'm going to go in with this. I've also had this for a while now and I've never used it. It's the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. So let's see. Oh, fuck, I need tweezers. It looks like this. The packaging is identical to the foundation, obviously just a different colour. Yeah, there isn't really any directions or anything. It doesn't say what it does. It just says Total Control. I'm actually struggling to open it at the moment. See what you like. Oh, very runny. I like a runny primer. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's mattifying. I don't know what it is. It says Total Control, which makes me feel like it's like an oil control. I could be wrong. I don't know. Smells alright. It doesn't smell too fragrancy, which is a good thing for me, personally. I don't feel like it's done much. We'll see how like foundation goes on top of it. At the moment, I'm just kind of like, okay, I'm primed. And like I feel no other way. And then I want to fill in my pores using the L'Oreal Infallible Pore Refining Primer. This primer freaks the hell out of me because it's rather not, it's not runny, but it's not like thick, which most pore primers are. So I'm going to use a brush with this. All the primers I'm trying lately, right, every time I put them on, they've made me have like a white cast on my face. And because my eyes, I'm just so tired, they just look so red. Like I look like a ghost right now. I'm going to do my brows off camera quickly, and then I will be back and we can do some eyes or something. I don't know. Just gonna roll with everything. So this is the palette. I am going to go with the first shade first and quickly just like see if I can pop that over my lid. If it's not, oh, is it too much of, it'll be alright. I've got fake tan on. My foundation will be dark, it's okay. And for a brush, yes, the orange shade. There. This is just a Morphe, no it's not, it's a, oh my god, it's a Zoeva 221 Look Soft Crease Brush. I'm too light. And I'm just going to work this in my crease. Is Morphe still classed as like affordable? Oh, but it is. I think it's affordable. I think for like what you get, it's very affordable. Because these palettes, you get like 35 shades. I'm pretty sure it's relatively inexpensive. I didn't even realise that they were going off Beauty Bay. And then like, I kept getting emails like, oh, like last chance to get Morphe, blah blah. And I was like, what? And then now they're off Beauty Bay, so I don't get where they are. Are they just on their own website? Like, do I have to pay customs again? I'm then going to go in with the brown that was just below the orange, that one there. And this is a Zoeva 224 Luxe Defined Crease Brush. And I kind of want to make this a spotlight eye. So I'm going to focus most of like my placement, my product on the inner corner and outer corner, and then just join them in the middle. I'm then going to take a mixture of the brown that we've just been using and that brown. So, oh, those two. There. This is a SophieBBeauty 232 Luxe Classic Shader brush. It's just like a flat brush. And I'm just going to, again, pack this on the outer and inner corner. I'm just going to go in with the dark shade we were using just by itself, just to like deepen it even more. I'm going to go in with this because he is screaming! He looks like Melon Pigment by MAC but pressed. But I'm going to go in with him. And I have a glitter to top him off with. I need to find it first. I'm going to spray my MAC 242 brush. It's just a flat brush. And I'm just going to... Oh! He's cute. I'm just gonna work him in the middle. Give him the spotlight he deserves. That is a gorgeous shade. Oh my god, could you imagine just like this on like a super light brown? That's it, like on a summer's day. Oh, I'd die. Screw the spotlight. He should have been all over the lid. Aww. I'm then going to add a pigment. This is from NYX. It's in the shade Shanghai Sun. They're very similar. It's very similar to that orange, but it's got like a bit of a goldy bronze tinge to it. Oh, I don't know if I prefer it with that now. I think I prefer it just before. For foundation, I'm going to mix two. I'm going to mix these two, more importantly. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade 205. And then the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey. I'm going to mix them both together because I like them separately. So let's see what they're like together. And then I will be using this Real Techniques brush. This is the number 303. And I'm just going to quite literally paint my face. I've never, alright, when this first came out I used it and I hated it, so I just never used it ever again. But then I've heard a few people just say how good it is, so I'm just going to put a little bit extra product on my cheek with this sponge and just see. I don't know what it is, I just didn't like the sponge. And I didn't want to use it today or like the only thing to use like for foundation. I wanted to use a brush because that's how I've been doing my makeup lately. I'm then going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Thick Foundation in the shade F13 to contour well. Just with a small brush. Just going to buff out my underlip and nose. I always feel like this is the point where everything starts to like come together when you've got foundation and like you've shaped the face a bit. For concealer, I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shades 2 Cool Medium and 3 Warm Medium. I just kind of picked up whichever shades were in Superdrug yesterday and hoped for the best. Oh, that's a good match, that's okay. So I do tend to go for like concealers that really match me at the moment around my face, and then my under eye I don't go as bright as I used to. Like, you guys remember I used to always go for like the fairest shade and like the lightest shade. I don't really do that as much anymore. I don't know why. I kind of had an epiphany and I was like, I'm going to turn 25. I need to just calm down. I'm going to use a sponge, which I'm scared about. I'm petrified. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. What is everyone's favourite sponge? Does everyone use a sponge or is it just like me? I don't think it's just me. What's your favourite? I feel like my favourite of all time will obviously be my Morphe one. I'm obsessed with that. And then, I don't know, I know that I used to rave about the original Beauty Blender, but I don't know if I like it anymore. Like, I just feel like the Morphe one is everything, and then if I have to use another sponge, like, I'm not ecstatic about it, and I'm not excited about it, because I know that like nothing comes close to the Morphe one that I've tried. I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel Insta Fix and Matte Translucent Powder. It's this one here. As far as I remember, I like this. Do you guys remember? Do I like this? Because I had this one out as well, the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. I had that one out as well, but I couldn't remember which one I preferred the most, and I think it's this Rimmel one, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys can remember which one I said I liked, because it's been so long that I've filmed like a drugstore focus tutorial, and you guys know that my MAC Loose Foundation is my favourite setting powder ever. So I don't, unless I'm filming a drugstore, I'll never really reach for anything else. It's not that I don't like it, it's just my MAC one is just like nothing can compare to that. This is the same brown eyeliner that I've had for about 5 years, maybe more. I know it's disgusting, I don't care, I will never change it until it finishes, and hopefully that day will never come. It's by the brand called Too True. They have a discontinued brand, that's how long ago it's been. But you can use any brown eyeliner you want. I've just never found any that is this pigmented and this dark and this right tone of brown for me. Especially not from the drugstore. I'm going to go in with the orange that we've been using, that matte one. This is a Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. And I'm just going to buff that in the lower lash line. I'm not even being funny, you guys. Why won't Zoeva collab with me? How often have you guys heard me mention their brushes? I think that would be a dream, to collab with Zoeva and have like Sophie B's must-have brush set. Then, to mix shit up, I'm going to go in with the red. Just with that same brush. I'm quite into this at the moment, like doing 2 different types of tones on one eye. Like we've got all like the orangey warm brown on the top and then like a red on the bottom. Like I know they're all like this similar family and they all get along with each other, but I just like to mix things lately. I'm going to go in and curl my lashes and mascara and falsies. I don't think I'm going to do a liquid liner. Probably won't. So I will see you guys when I get there. Right, I'm just going to wait for my lashes to dry. This is the look without them. I would fully wear it without lashes as well. Just saying. Right, I'm going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. I'm going to take that whitey, goldy, shimmery shade from Zip Palette. So the lashes that I'm going for are by Doll Beauty. I adore these lashes so much. I rave about them constantly. These ones that I'm going to use are in the style Brook. So that is the eye look with the lashes on. I really love these lashes. Like I said, they are Doll Beauty lashes in the style Brook. This is the NYX No Filter Powder in the shade Golden. Sorry, not bronze. In the shade Golden. It is meant to be a face powder, but it is gorgeous to bronze with. I can't lie. I feel like I haven't really spoken this tutorial. I don't know why. I just haven't. I think I'm just preoccupied because I go away in 6 days. I am so freaking excited to go away. Oh my god. I feel like this is all I've said in any of the tutorials that I've filmed, but I just need you guys to know I'm very excited. And then I'm going to go in with the Balms Bahama Mama. It's a bit more dark, well it's very darker, and it's a bit more cool toned. I'm just going to bang that on my cheeks. So it's sort of like contouring, but not as strict. For blusher, I'm going to go in with Gosh's Melon Blusher. I feel like no one ever uses Gosh makeup. Me, myself included. I have this blusher and I think that's pretty much it. But I was just curious that no one really uses it. I'm going to go in and liquid highlight with Barry M's highlighter drops. This is in the shade Liquid Fortune. I have used this before and I've put them on my skin and then tried to blend it out and it doesn't blend very well. So what I'm going to try and do is put it on the back of my hand and then apply it with a sponge, because when I put it on, like wherever you put it, I found that it would just dry there and it wouldn't blend. Oh, it's happening again. Like literally the initial place you put it and it just doesn't budge out. Can you kind of see it? Oh wow, it's nothing major. I can cover it up with some powder and whatnot. To powder highlight, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. Oh, it smells like grass so bad. Literally, it feels like I'm tasting grass right now. But the highlight's cute. I smell like grass for the highlight to be cute. I'm going to set my face down with the NYX Dewy Spray. Push it in as always. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. And the NYX lipstick in the shade Beach Casual. You can always leave it here, but I like a glass. This is the L'Oreal lip gloss in the shade Disco Ball 210. And it's like goldy shimmer almost. Is that the completed look? I think so. So then guys, this is the completed Drugstore neutral. I realise like now I'm looking at it, I'm like this isn't neutral, Sophie. Makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, I will be doing more of a proper colourful one when I get back from me holidays, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below as always, please, because I'm here to cater for you. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and until next time I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!